You manage a Microsoft 365 E5 subscription that includes the endpoints specified in the table below. The table shows 5 columns: name, platform, installed app, Microsoft Intune, and ownership. Row 1, Device 1, Android, Intune Company Portal, Microsoft Edge, not enrolled, not applicable. Row 2, Device 2, iOS, Intune Company Portal, enrolled, personal. You need to configure Microsoft Tunnel for mobile application management to grant these endpoints access to an on-premises web application named App 1. What action should be performed for each device? Option A, enroll the device in Intune. Option B, install the Intune app. Option C, install the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint app. Option D, modify the device ownership setting. Option E, install Edge. Okay, folks, let's talk about this question. We need to configure Microsoft Tunnel for mobile application management to grant these endpoints access to an on-premises web application named App 1. What action should be performed for each device? The correct answer here is option A, enroll the device in Intune. The reason for this is because we need to use Microsoft Tunnel for mobile application management.
Let us explore the concepts behind this scenario. Mobile Application Management, or MAM, allows organizations to manage corporate data on mobile devices without fully enrolling the device into mobile device management. This is often called MAM without enrollment, or MAM-WE. Different mobile platforms have unique prerequisites for setting up secure connections like Microsoft Tunnel to access internal resources. Android and iOS devices rely on specific companion apps and browsers to establish connectivity and enforce organizational policies effectively, depending on whether the device itself is enrolled in management or just the specific application.
I believe the correct match is that Device 1 requires option B and Device 2 requires option E. To break this down, implementing Microsoft Tunnel for MAM requires meeting platform-specific prerequisites. Device 1 is an Android device with the company portal and Edge, but it lacks the Microsoft Intune app, which is a requirement for Android MAM-WE functionality. Therefore, you must install the Intune app on Device 1. On the other hand, Device 2 is an iOS device that has the Intune Company Portal but lacks the MAM-enabled browser client required for the Tunnel client on iOS. For iOS devices utilizing this feature, you must install Microsoft Edge as the supported browser client. The other options are incorrect because enrolling the device, installing Defender, or modifying ownership do not address the specific missing client applications required for Microsoft Tunnel MAM on these particular platforms.